You enrolled in my credit repair program, and it looks like we helped TransUnion increase by 114 points, Experian by 170 points, and Equifax by 194 points. And we deleted, it looks like, about 80 items. Can you share with the people your experience from my credit repair program with ASAP Credit Solutions?
Sir, most definitely, man. It was the best decision I ever made to get linked up with you guys. I'm glad I found you guys. You guys helped me out in wonders. Boosted the credit score. It didn't take long. It was a easy process. And you guys was there every step of the way. So I would definitely recommend this for anybody that needs their credit repair. Definitely go to ASAP.
So now what are we discussing now that the credit repair, it looks like your last round completes in about a week. Now what are we talking about? Putting a game plan together for what?
Getting the business side ready. Getting the business ready for the business.
Guys,
Sir.
listen, Jeremy is smart, right? So Jeremy contacted us for credit repair. We kept our word and we helped him out. Jeremy has a freight company that he's now exploring business funding for. And the great part is that his scores are in line for us to go on ahead and start doing some credit stacking so he could buy more equipment, transportation, freight, equipment like that to go on ahead and put some vehicles actually on the road to start generating revenue. And that's really what consult people to do with their credit.